You know something? We're not just going to go to New Hampshire, Tom Harkin. We are going to go to New York. We're going to go to Vermont. We're going to go to Oregon. We're going to go to Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania. We're going to Cancun for spring break. We're going to go to Montreal. We're going to Vancouver. I'm going all over the world. And then I'm coming all the way to Washington, D.C. to take back the White House. BYAAH! Open the door to the Oval Office, and I would chop that motherfucking desk in half. Yeah! And then I would grab the Secret Service like this and put my hair out and say, yeah! And then we'll go upstairs into my bedroom and I'll grab my wife like this and I'm like, yeah! And then I'm gonna wash up, and I'm gonna be like this, yeah!